How much compensation should I ask for after I've been injured in an accident? It's hard to know how much you'll need to recover financially from an accident. To determine the amount and to prove its necessity in court, your attorney will need your help. Medical costs. Physical injury is the primary basis for personal injury cases, and medical care and treatment are the major items for recovering damages. Keep an accurate record of the various doctor, hospital, and paramedic bills stemming from your accident. In addition, keep bills and receipts for any medication or item associated with treatment. Economic loss. If you've been severely injured in an accident, the money you've lost in unpaid leave and future wages may far outweigh the cost of your medical expenses. To accurately determine your economic loss, your attorney will need the following: payroll and employment records. Payroll records provide income level, records of advancement, and other needed information to establish your income. In larger companies, periodic employee evaluations are often included in the payroll or employment records. A history of regular advancement or raises lends strength to the claim of substantially higher wages in the future, and the loss of promotions and raises needs to be considered. If you've been terminated as a result of the injury, your attorney will want statements from your employer or supervisor about your performance and potential. During deposition, you may forget dates, pay rates, terms of employment, and other data. The payroll summary will help keep the record clear and remove any vagueness or uncertainty. Income tax records. Tax records from before the accident will establish a basis for comparison to your income and expenses after the accident. Real versus taxable income. Tax-deferred income like contributions to a 401k will not necessarily show up on your tax return, but for the purposes of establishing income loss, it is real income, and its loss should be included in the estimate. Pain and suffering. Pain and suffering are often the most difficult aspects of a case to prove. You and your attorney will need to show the negative impact the accident has had on your quality of life. Keep a daily record of the frequency and level of your pain and what activities you aren't able to do. Also, prepare a history of routine activities you engaged in prior to the accident. Do not be concerned that the list contains mundane things. It is the lost ability to perform these simple but necessary tasks that presents the biggest social and psychological problems.